Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineer, electrical engineer and instrumentation engineer. So this video will be very useful. So kindly forward to the needed people. Now we will see the entire details of the job. So name of the company is Tata Metallics. So I will be giving the link in the description. So when you click on the link, you will be directed to the official website of Tata Metallics. So it's a golden opportunity for all of you. When you scroll down, here you can see three dots. See here you can see three dots. When you click on the three dots, when you click on the three dots, another box will be pop-up box will be opening. So there you can see investors, sustainability, careers, etc. Out of that, you have to click careers. So when you click careers, further few more tab will be open, and there you have to click work with us. So you have to click work with us. So when you click that, you will be directed to a page where three different advertisement which they posted. So first one is recruitment for officer post. So click on that. When you click on that, you will be directed to this page. Actually, this one is for experienced candidates will be appointed based on the designation and company norms. So mainly they will be recruiting departments from those who finished BE, BTech or BSc in mechanical, metallurgy, production, electrical, instrumentation. So all those candidates can apply, and they should have a relevant work experience of 10 years and in the field of casting, annealing, melting, etc. So mainly experienced candidates can apply, and while applying you need to submit your 10th and 12th ID mark sheet and ID proof and community certificate, etc. So candidates who are eligible will be informed for an online written test through proctoring exam mode. Only those who qualify in written exam will be called for interview, and written test and interview date will be communicated to the candidate through SMS or email to the registered mobile number and mail ID. And those who are if you are doing anything wrong or giving wrong details, then you will be disqualified. So second advertisement is recruitment for diploma training. So when you click on that, actually this is for entry level candidates who doesn't have experience, will be appointed as diploma trainee for 1 year, and after successful completion of training for 1 year, they will be appointed as permanent. So who are the departments are diploma engineer from mechanical, metallurgy, electrical, instrumentation. So all those candidates can apply for this job, and freshers without experience will be paid a stipend of 18,000 per month. So it's a wonderful opportunity, don't miss this one. So try to grab it up, and experienced candidate will be giving a compensation as per the company norms, and candidates who are eligible will be asked to appear for the online examination, and those who qualify written test will be called for personal interview, and written test and interview date will be communicated to the candidate later on through registered mail ID and phone number. So those who are willing to apply can click on the icon apply online. So when you click on the icon apply online, you will be directed to this page. When you keep on scrolling down, you will be having two different options. One is apply online and another is login for login candidates. So you are a new candidate, right? So you have to click apply online. So when you click on apply online, you will be further getting these details, like for which post you are applying, either you are fresher or experience. You will be clicking fresher. Then what's your name, what's your date of birth, community, gender, etc. Basic details they will be keep on asking, and after finishing everything, you have to click on box here for agreeing to all the terms and condition, and also you have to click on the icon submit and continue. When you click on that icon, you will be registered for the particular post or particular job, and further details will be communicated through your registered mail ID and registered phone number. So I hope so this video will be very useful for you, and kindly share with mechanical engineer, instrumentation engineer and electrical engineer, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator, so that you will be receiving all the videos which we upload, and stay tuned with our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.